Ki nong yalam jong ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association hakasi balang jong tayo kila Leit ban Aiti ka Kaiphod hau menteri katnat sports and youth affairs jong ka jela ubak bantai dor leng do ha ka ba yedei bat ka jeng penlong ya ka Meghalaya Games arajar khat kandai arajar arpho ya kani ka Kaiphod la Aiti da working president jong ka MSOA ubak John Kharsiyeng ha ka jeng dan lang ka director jong ka sports and youth affairs ka kong W Booth Habai keren beginang patah kubor ubak John Kharsiyeng ulaong baka MSOA kalai keren bat menteri Halor kalawai jong ka Ïalehkai ke jela namar kumba kalong menta kim patla ban peniak cakmat ya ki Lympung Ïalehkai watla ke sarkar kla penbena ban syak ban Ïalehkai ya ki non contact games da ka babut renti ki jing patah jong sarkar ulaong baki kendon ki bela but da ke sarkar ki long ki ba ya ki nong Ïalehkai ban but tik patik But what ha ki indirect contact games ru ki kena kila ban Ïalehkai henry kimla pat ban penan kamlang ye ki juk kitar kitar. Ha ka bede ba kajing pen create jong ki nong Ïalehkai na ka bentakan national games uba John Kharsiyeng ulaong ba ka kam Ïalehkai kalak tak jur ha barok ko ki perthai. Bat om patla ban le ai na marwat ya ka Olympic ru lahap ban pensange bat ukermen scam badai satang la da yo no ya udah wide shin ban penkia naka klam jingpang.
What the SOP says is you can train individually, without sharing equipment. You can train individually. The competition gini kita berhoi subject to SOP to be issued by the deputy commissioner because they are the nodal officers for the SOP for any activity, which is not easy. Namar use of any venue ru ngihap yo jingbet from the kibapet ya katuka yumo. So katar go jing bahap use lada dan kam ban penekam ka madan gani katai hap ya keren begirang bak snong. So each association we ngihap bo ya COVID task committee. Sanitizing procedure. So a lot of conditions. So as of now, kampat dan denti kan bangin le menuru. Kumbang kalau mentah kamu ngin hab up hadu ubunai let's say bakin review biang ubunai august.
Kai kebun jai kalau wei jom gini ki inung Ïalehkai ke jela tam habide buat kini ka jemput krek ya ka national games.
We are hoping from the news ni kermen naka jingmi ko kubur from all over the world about the vaccine. So even the mother of all games ka Ïalehkai ka bahe tampo pertai ka Olympic lahap sange. So kini kilong ki kiba lada ka ICMR kam amen ya ki guideline bakal asengai ka ban pelong gini ki action ki habak kli